Let's find out what happened in the fiery furnace. The king made a giant golden statue and gave an order.
Bow or burn!
But 3 men did not bow.
They didn't bow.
The king was furious.
Is it true you won't bow?
The friends spoke bravely.
Our God can save us.
But even if he doesn't, we will never bow.
The furnace was made 7 times hotter. Will they be okay? No turning back. But something amazing happened.
Didn't we throw in 3? I see 4.
They came out safe and sound. Not a single hair was burned.
Praise their God.
The king praised God.
Praise be to their God. No other God can save like this.